It is a beautiful day here in Chicago if you like dreary, rainy, gross, ugly weather. I personally don't. Hey, last chance to sign up for this VIX primer. It is tomorrow. I was going through my slides last night, and I was pretty proud of myself with what I've put together. So, if that's any indication, then it's going to be worth signing up. So I'm super happy about that. By the way, I'm Mark Sebastian. This is the Option Pit AM Volatility Report. So let's talk about the markets. Well, non-farm payrolls got a big boost yesterday. The market seems to have found a floor. You can see the S&P is now back above its 100-day moving average. The VIX is now back below 15. The October future is below 16. The NOVE future is trading at 16. VXST now trading at a nice discount to VIX cash. So things look like they're normalizing. If you look at VIX, and it's not like you couldn't see some of this coming. All right, we spent yesterday, you'll recall, looking at how VIX cash was not moving with the VIX itself, right, or with the S&P, and how VIX had kind of sat there while the S&P had slowly dropped. And today we're seeing follow-through on that. As you can see, the IV of VIX options is getting destroyed, and VIX options themselves are in pretty substantially. It's been a pretty tidal shift in how hard the market has moved in terms of, VIX kind of saw this coming. I mean, take a look at this. This is just, let's just take a look at a 5-day tick chart of VIX. And here's a 5-day chart of SPX. And what do you notice? I mean, it's pretty obvious, right? Take a look at this. You get this nice sell-off into kind of October 2nd, and you see the VIX kind of plateau out, and then without really much of a rally, you see the VIX just absolutely plummet. So here we are yesterday closing at 1950, and the VIX is lower than when the VIX was at 1960 and 1970 even. All right, now today you're getting that absolute drubbage, and I don't know that a 10-handle VIX is coming back, but I think I don't think saying something out of Hong Kong, I think we're gonna creep back toward that 1975, 1980, 2000 level. All right, maybe a VIX at 13.5. I think it happened. Something along those lines, probably. The low end VIX looks like it is entering some sort of new regime, which means the low end might be 13 and the high end might be 17. This typically leads to some sort of volatility. I am not of the type that doesn't believe that we have some sort of correction coming at some point. I just don't see that right now. I don't know when it's going to happen, but it will happen sometime. All right, folks, if you got questions, don't forget to sign up for the VIX Primer. You can call me 888-TRADE-01 or email me mark@optionpit.com. I'll talk to you guys soon.